Trying to find time for us to get together tonight. I'm going to play you a couple of tunes. Let's get into it. Good, good, good. Let's get into it. 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 Let's get into it.
So I just finished breakfast. I'm about to put grapes. Actually, I'm probably going to just put the grapes on the table, but just made everybody's breakfast. See. Pancakes, sausage, hash brown, tater tot rounds, eggs. Cam has all his all chopped up with some grapes. And like I said, the grapes, I have a big bowl of grapes. I'm just going to put them on the table, let out the utensils, some syrup, and we're going to enjoy breakfast before I head to my hair appointment and my nail appointment for the day. Happy Saturday, y'all. You want to go under the dryer? How you get your hair?
She wanted wet. She wanted wet twist.
Oh. What was I supposed to get? I thought I was going to braid it up. I mean, you said you didn't know what you wanted. I decided I want some wet twist. What's up, you guys? So, I am just now coming home from my hair appointment. I just dropped Kaden off. I'm getting ready to stop at the UPS store to return something to Amazon. I'm going to get these little raggedy nails done, girl. Finally looking like a human being again. I'm so happy to have my hair done. And then I need to stop at Publix because they have a couple of things on sale that I want to pick up. But that's it. I just wanted to check in with you guys. Say happy Saturday. We don't have much planned today. Clarence and I may do a charcuterie board later and maybe take the kids to the park. We'll see. But that's all that's on the agenda. So let's get going. I'm just drinking a Red Bull as well. So let's get going. Alright, you guys, so got our nails done, back short, back white, loving it. I'm about to grab a cart and go in Publix really quick and pick up the groceries that I need to get. right, you guys, so we are back home from running our little beauty errands for the day, and I came home to 2 packages from Nordstrom that I wanted to share with y'all really quick. So I just picked up 2 things for our bedroom and like a little beauty item. So the beauty item was just this fresh sugar lip polish. I realized in my beauty routine I needed a lip scrub. Like out of all the things that I use, the lip masks and face mask and all that stuff, I realized like I didn't have a lip scrub. So I got one. I looked them up on Nordstrom and Sephora, and on both websites, this one had really good reviews. This one and the Sarah Happ lip scrub. The only thing with the Sarah Happ is in a lot of reviews, a lot of the people were saying it's a little more abrasive. And I knew that I did not want that, so I thought this would be the better try. It doesn't say, I could have sworn this was like a brown sugar scent, but it smells very like fresh and citrusy. But this is what the packaging looks like, and it just says fresh on the top. That's what it looks like. So excited about this, can't wait to give it a try. And then the next thing I picked up were some items for our bedroom. So in the fall and the winter, really all year round, the bedroom is just like a big deal for Clarence and I. I will say, like, we are both, oops, sorry y'all. We are both big on making that like our little oasis. If nothing else, our bedroom is going to look and smell amazing. And so I wanted to pick up a new candle for the bedroom. You guys know, like around my home, I will haul 1,001 Walmart candles all day long because I always have a candle burning in the house all day, in the living room and in the dining room, and most of the times in the guest bathroom downstairs because it's so like close to the entryway. However, in our bedroom, that's where I tend to spend a little more coin. That's where I don't mind spending upwards of $60 or $70 for a candle, because typically I'm burning it the allotted time frame, which is about 4 to 6 hours, just to give the room a little, you know, je ne sais quoi. So when I smelled this candle, I actually smelled it during the anniversary sale. I knew that this would be a nice scent. And for some reason, I did not pick it up when I was in store that day. But because I smelled it in store that day, I knew that I wanted it for our room. And it's by Voluspa. It's the eucalyptus and white sage scent. It's a 12-ounce candle, and I just think the packaging was so beautiful. This is not my first time having these, but the last time I got the Voluspa in the tin, it was the 2-wick. This is a beautiful smelling candle, and it's a 3-wick. It is sweating a little bit, which I've noticed happens with a lot of hand poured soy wax candles. I've been trying to make sure I'm storing it in a nice cool space, but I will probably actually start burning this tonight. But I wanted to grab something for our bedroom for the fall and the winter to just give it those feels. And then the next thing I picked up was by the Laundress. It's their number 247 home spray. It's for linens, furnishings, and rooms. I've been purchasing this since the pandemic. So I originally purchased this, I think Cam had to be like 2 or 3 months old. And I actually got it from Saks when I originally ordered it. But I got it because I heard a lot of people speak about it being very gentle. And I got it for our fabrics around the house. And I just didn't want anything like Febreze or anything like that that was going to irritate, at the time, the baby. And since I purchased it, I've just constantly been repurchasing it. It is the best for like refreshing your fabrics. We have a like micro fiber, micro suede sofa or whatever. So it can tend to like hold smells and things. Now it has slip covers, so you can just take them off and wash them. So I do that very often. But when I just want to kind of refresh it, and the blankets and things that we keep on the sofa, I use this. Went ahead and picked it up for our bedroom. Love this. And it's not that expensive. I think it's somewhere between like $12 and $15. Anyway, so the next things that I picked up were some dresses. So y'all know I live for a good date night. I'm always, take me out, I want to go on a date. That's just me. We love going on a good date night. And so with the weather cooling off outside, I wanted to pick up some things that were sexy but appropriate for the weather. And Nordstrom had a couple of dresses on sale, so I picked them up. Now the first one is giving all kinds of snatchage. Okay, I tried them on, so I will pop up a split screen for you guys, but this is by the company All in Favor. I did get everything in a size medium. This dress was originally $45. I got it for $21.97. It is so nice, so nice. The material is very like heavy duty. It's a ribbed material. I love this little cutout here. I have waist beads, so when I tried this on, Clarence was like, love it. Very, very sexy. It just has this like cinched ribbed area here in the front where your little tatas are. It is given just enough sexy. It's midi length, super, super gorgeous. I love this pine color. I love this so much. I actually ordered it in black right after trying it on. Like literally took it off, grabbed my phone and ordered it in the black. The black, the brown, and this one is on sale. All of them are originally $45. This one was $21.97. The black and the brown are $23.97. I got it in a medium. I didn't get the brown because they did not have it. It was sold out in a medium. But when it comes in stock, I'm getting. Next one up, I actually have this dress in black. It is by BP. It's like a this is like a mid-thigh length dress. I think this would be good with like tights and my moto jacket. I have it in black, and this is that little $8 dress I kept raving about on Instagram. It's originally $25 and I got this one for $12.50. And so I was like, this would be cute to just kind of do a casual date night. Whereas the other dress is a little more dressy. This is very casual. You could dress it up if you like, but I feel like this is gonna be real casual for me. So pick this up. And then this last dress, I love this chocolatey color. I like this racer back style because I can wear a nice long like duster or cardigan. It's midi length, so you can play it up a little bit. Even if you wanted to throw some sneakers and your denim jacket on with this and bring it down, wear it very casual, you could. And if you wanted to wear some strappy heels and like a blazer or something with it, you could, or a long duster. It'd still be cute. So you could dress it up in that way with a nice bag. I just thought this was so cute. Now, I never heard of this brand. The name of the brand is Noisy May, but the original price point was $35 and it was on sale for $14.70. So pick this up as well. And that's everything, y'all. Those were the two packages that were here when I got home. Like I said, I just wanted to pick up a couple of dresses to kind of interchange with the things that I did already have. But again, you know, date night, you just want to keep it fresh. So I just wanted to interject some things in my wardrobe. So if y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments below. As always, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back and joining me. And if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscription button on your way out, y'all. I am probably going to be filming a couple of like sit down videos for y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and close today's vlog out here. So I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.